In today's video, let's talk about how to get student discount on Deezer. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video on how Genic. Deezer Student is a discounted plan or a discounted premium plan for qualifying students. Features for premium are available on this plan as well, such as ad-free music, offline downloads, or high-quality audio. Trial, you can get a free trial, then you pay a reduced monthly fee. So in order to get the student discount on Deezers, you need to first of all check your availability. You must be first of all a student, enroll in a university or college, and also you must be in a country where Deezers offers the student plan. Not every country has the student plan inside of Deezers. So in order to check if it is a plan available in your country or not, head over to the profile section on the top left, tap on manage plan, and it's going to show you the current plan that you have. Tap on manage my subscription, and in this list, if you see the option of student plan, you can just tap on that option and get yourself a student plan. But before you get the student plan, you will need to verify your student status. You need to provide a proof such as student email or enrollment documents. Only after your verification, you'll be able to get the student plan. So as I said, depending upon your country, you may or may not have the student plan option. So that was the video about the way that you get a student discount on Deezer. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.